Welcome to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna. In today's guide, we'll walk through how to turn on safe mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra step by step, with a few extra details to help you understand what's happening. Pick up your phone and unlock it. From the menu, swipe down from the top of the display to open the notification panel. Swipe down once more to expand the quick settings menu fully. In the top corner, you'll see the power icon. Tap on it to open the power menu. A pop-up screen will appear showing several options, including power off, restart, and emergency call. Now, press and hold the power off option for a few seconds. After holding it, a new option labeled Safe Mode will appear on the screen. Tap on Safe Mode and then confirm if prompted. Your phone will automatically restart and boot into safe mode. When safe mode is active, you'll see safe mode displayed in the corner of the screen. In this mode, third-party apps are temporarily disabled, helping you troubleshoot issues like crashes, freezing, or unusual battery drain. Thanks for tuning in to Quantum Tech Lab, where smart tech tips make life easier. Stay connected for more practical step-by-step tutorials designed to simplify your digital world.